Right there, we will have a simple demonstration on how to speed up the timeline or the speed up the video timeline. So here, so this is the original video that we have. Here in this example, you have to click where I already to trim the video. So I already from this point, trim the video. Okay, then go to view, properties. Then the properties will prompt here. Then you could put here um, speed up by 5, then apply. Click on apply. So it shows that the video shrinks. So we could check here how does it speed up. Okay, then we're going to move this here. Then here we're going to demonstrate again on how did I split the video. We already started here the split. It ends here, then click on the video. You wanted to apply the splitting, then right click, then click on split, then again select the part of the video you wanted to speed up or slow down. Then here is again, I'm going to demonstrate it again, 5, apply, then apply. So it happens to be like that. So thank you for watching. This is how we split and how we speed up the part of the video. Thank you for watching. Hope I could help you out with this one. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Help my channel. Please do help my channel grow. Thank you. Share love.